Now, the stock market was down today, but the cryptocurrency market was up. And a lot of people are wondering whether or not this is the bottom. I've seen people come in the live stream talking about how this is the bottom for Bitcoin, therefore it's time to buy Shiba Inu Coin. We're going to see a bull market begin. And I want to go over a little bit of that because I have seen some very convincing technical charts that show that long-term technical analysis, Bitcoin and therefore Shiba Inu Coin are likely near a bottom and will begin rising again soon. And I want to talk about that because there's a lot going on right now that may be muddling the technical analysis out there. And although technicals are pointing to a potential upswing, the fundamentals may not. So of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. You can choose Shiba Inu Coin if you would like, so make sure to check it out. We are on a massive dip, but let's talk about the potential bottom right now, because it sounds good. And we know that Bitcoin's bouncing off 19,000, going up above 20,000. Shiba Inu Coin was down to like 980 points. It's up to 1050, and things seem to be on the upswing. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves because technical analysis is great, but we have to make sure that we're looking at fundamentals as well. Now, if you're looking at whether or not, I guess if you're trying to time the bottom, and trying to time the bear market perfectly, we need to understand that that is very difficult to do, and it will require a sense of luck as well. You know, so much can happen, and even if everything is perfect today, and we look at a bottom in Shiba Inu Coin, nobody knows what tomorrow brings. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. And in this, I mean, we are living in a very uncertain time when it comes to political uncertainty, financial and global uncertainty. There's a lot going on right now. Centralized exchange uncertainty that can really drive things either up or down in a very quick time period. So let's look at Shiba Inu Coin at this 1,000 point per coin level, and let's look at some reasons why we may see it rise and why we may see Shiba Inu Coin decline. So the technical analysis is looking good. You know, Bitcoin is falling down and reaching some multi-year lows. There's an ascending trend line where Bitcoin has risen and fallen and risen and fallen, and it is falling and bouncing off that ascending trend level around the $17,000, $18,000, $19,000 mark, and it does seem like it might be curling over. Shiba Inu Coin does not have the same, I guess, time frame as Bitcoin does, but Shiba Inu Coin is really holding on to that 1,000 point per coin range, and holders are evidenced by Coinbase statistics showing that 95% of the orders are buy orders, showing that the Shiba Inu Coin is one of the longest held coins out of any investment out there. There's a lot to support the growth of Shiba Inu Coin and the Shiba Inu Coin army. Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem continues to grow day in and day out. They just announced a new addition to the Metaverse, I guess, consultant team or advisor board, however you want to look at it. So the Metaverse project is growing. Shibarium is set to be released sometime in the third quarter, so we're looking at the end of September. We've got the AAA graphics game, which I guess they're soon going to announce the Shiboshis in 3D characters that can be used. There's a lot going on out there right now, and the ecosystem for Shiba Inu Coin is being developed behind the scenes, even though the price action may not support it right now. So there is a lot of positive. I want to talk about the I guess, market economic, or the market's factors or macroeconomic factors that could drive the price of Shiba Inu Coin both lower and higher right now. And this is where the focus should be. Because if you're looking strictly at technicals, nice. We're setting up for a bounce. But even if we've got the strongest technical formation, if inflation comes in at 15%, it's going to drop the price of Shiba Inu Coin. So fundamentals are more important than technicals, especially at a time like this when people are on the edge of their seat looking and waiting for what's going to happen next. Now, I do believe with inflation coming in at 9.1% and hopefully already being priced into the market, it's old news at this point. It's been out for over 24 hours. And the market's had time to react. It reacted negatively and sold off, and then allowed Bitcoin, Shiba Inu Coin, and so on to bounce back afterwards. But in the next 2 weeks, basically a week from Wednesday, we've got the Federal Reserve interest rate decision, and they're going to be reacting to the inflation rate. Now, what they're going to be looking at is the fact that they rose interest rates by 75 basis points, and it did nothing. It did not slow inflation down, and inflation is still rising. They are considering raising interest rates by a full percentage point. That's 100 basis points. That is a drastic measure, and a lot of people are going to argue that that could send the United States into a recession. Well, newsflash world, we're already in a recession, so it's, I guess what? Could it get any worse at this point? If it does, if we move up to, if we increase interest rates by 1% and people are able to borrow and spend less money, it could cause the GDP to continue to decline even further. And therefore, the problem with the recession is going to increase. Anytime spending decreases, the chances of, I guess, lengthened recession or I don't know, more impactful recession is out there. And that's exactly what we are gearing up for. Guys, inflation has not settled down. Interest rates are continuing to rise. And this is a recipe for disaster for Shiba Inu Coin. Now, we could get the Federal Reserve come out in 2 weeks from now saying that interest rates are no longer a concern. We're going to raise by 75 basis points, that inflation does seem like it is leveling off or is whatever they're going to lie to us and say. But it could be good news if the market interprets it that way, and therefore Shiba Inu Coin could rise again. But if you want a, I guess, checklist of macroeconomic factors that are going to drive the price of Shiba Inu Coin either lower or higher, we're looking at inflation, we're looking at interest rates, we're looking at Russia and Ukraine, we're looking at China and the supply issue, and perhaps most importantly, we are looking at centralized exchanges or centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. If they continue to file bankruptcy, as the price of Bitcoin and Shiba and so on continue to move lower, it is going to be a catastrophic failure in the cryptocurrency space, and that is going to be a hard one to recover from. If cryptocurrency exchanges cannot be trusted, how do we get our crypto at that point? We're going to either have to go full on DeFi, where you still need to buy your crypto, or it's going to need to be some form of mining where you earn your crypto. So guys, I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts on all of these catalysts and when you think we're going to be bottoming out and moving up again for Shiba Inu Coin. Let us know in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.